Hello my friends and welcome back. In this section we'll create this amazing application called Lucky Number application. This application will allow the user to enter his name, for example Jack. Click wish me a luck, will be directed to another activity generating a random number. Also, this application will allow the user to share the result among other applications that are available on the device. His lucky number is 10. I need to copy nearby, Gmail, Bluetooth, Drive, and other applications. For example, the Gmail. And you can see that I'm sharing the email with the title Jack. This is the username that I entered. Got lucky today. This is the title of the email. The body of the email, his lucky number is 10, which is generated before in the previous activity. So in this application, we'll review how to get the data from the edit text, how to pass the data among intents, and how to pass the data among and share the data among other applications using implicit intents and explicit intents